In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to underline text in Canva. If you want to make a word, heading, or short phrase stand out in your Canva design, adding an underline is a quick and simple way to do it. Canva makes this easy once you know where to look, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. Start by opening your Canva design and selecting the text you want to edit. This is important because Canva only shows text formatting options when a text box is active. So, click directly on the text box that contains the words you want to change. If needed, highlight the specific text inside the box, especially if you only want to underline part of the sentence instead of the entire text element. Once your text is selected, move your attention to the top toolbar. This is where Canva places most of the editing controls for text formatting. Look for the underline option, which is usually shown as a capital U with a line underneath it. This is the tool you'll use to apply the underline effect. Go ahead and click the U option. As soon as you do, your selected text will become underlined. This change should appear immediately on the canvas, so you can instantly see how it looks in your design. Underlining can be useful for emphasizing key information, creating a link-style look, or giving certain text a cleaner, more noticeable style. After underlining the text, you can make extra adjustments if needed. For example, you may want to change the font size so the underlined text feels more balanced within the design. You can also adjust the text color if you want the underline effect to stand out more clearly. In some cases, tweaking the spacing can also help improve readability, especially if the text looks too tight or crowded after the underline is added. If you don't see the underline option right away, don't worry. Depending on your screen size or the type of text settings currently visible, some formatting tools may be hidden. In that case, click the More option, shown as 3 dots in the toolbar. This will open additional text formatting choices, and from there you should be able to find the underline option. That's it. Once you know where the tool is, underlining text in Canva only takes a few seconds and can make a big difference in how your design communicates important information.